Does Custom Keto Diet work at all? Hi, my name is Mary. Stay until the end of this video because I will tell you if the Custom Keto Diet really works and if it's really worth buying it. First of all, I have a really important alert for you, so pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you. The first thing you need to know about is, be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because many fake websites were created to supposedly sell Custom Keto Diet, so in order for you not to be deceived, I left the official link in the description of the video. So, we know that what really causes weight gain is the excess carbohydrate. When you eat too much carbohydrate, the speed of your metabolism will be reduced and your body becomes inflamed by toxins. Even if you reduce the calories you eat in order to lose weight, your metabolism slows down even more. The best way to eat well, following a healthy eating plan and that will ensure faster fat loss than with traditional diets, is a low carbohydrate and high fat diet. The keto diet will activate your ketosis and turn it into your primary source of energy instead of glucose, considerably accelerating fat loss without reducing your metabolism. You want to know if Custom Keto Diet works, and the answer is yes, it really works, and I'll explain why. Custom Keto Diet will help you eat well through foods that will activate your ketosis. This way, you will eat pleasurable foods and still lose weight faster than any other method. The best part about Custom Keto Diet is that you have a customized plan according to your body, your preferences, and lifestyle. That way, your diet will work because it fits your needs perfectly and it's going to help you not to give up. This is the secret of success for slimming. Custom Keto Diet is an 8-week plan to make you lose a lot of weight. It is easy and allows you to eat many tasty things. But it's important to remember that you need to do your part to get the results you want. Thousands of people claim to be very satisfied after losing a lot of weight and even being able to wear clothes that they have not worn for years. Custom Keto Diet helps you not to fail, that's why it's so powerful. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Custom Keto Diet from. If you want to get it, don't forget that the official website is in the description of this video. I really hope I helped you through this video. Tell me what you think in the comments.